Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Windows Workshop, assign a keyboard shortcut to open Eclipse, I'm going to show you how you can do just that. And these same steps can be applied to other programs on your computer as well. Here on my computer, I have my shortcut for Eclipse version 10. However, instead of hunting for it and double-clicking on it, especially if I have a lot of stuff on my desktop, I can set a shortcut to open it. To do that, all I need to do is right-click on Eclipse on my desktop, choose Properties, and in the Shortcut tab, there is an option that says Shortcut Key. If I click in the Shortcut Key box, I can type in whatever shortcut I'd like to use to open Eclipse. I'm going to use Control-Shift-Alt-E as my example. And so as I hit those keys, you see that my shortcut key box has updated to the keys that I struck, and I'm going to press Apply. I'll go ahead and press Continue to provide administrator access. And now I can press OK. And if I hit Control-Shift-Alt-E, Eclipse opens up, and I can select my user and enter Eclipse normally. And you can do the same thing with any of your other shortcuts. For example, for Bridge, I can right-click, Properties, Shortcut tab, and then Shortcut Key. And this time I'll choose Control-Shift-Alt-B for Bridge. I'll press Apply. I'll press Continue to provide administrator access. And after I press OK, I can now hit Control-Shift-Alt-B, and Bridge will open. And this is the old version of Bridge that I happen to have installed. And so this will work with any of the shortcuts that you have on your desktop, and it may save you some time if you find yourself hunting around for your icons. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached anytime, including weekends and holidays, at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.